We have this Cadillac 2015. We are changing both headlights. Cadillac 2010 to 2016 have this problem from the dealer. You know, once you buy the car after 50,000, the chrome fading out, then it's gonna be very weak. Doesn't matter if you change the bulb or not. So today we are changing the headlight assembly. So to do that, we have to remove the bumper and then go step by step. All right, so we open the hood. I raise the car. I put the 2 jacks and then jack stands as well. So what we do first, we will, you see this piece of strip? You just, pushing it back and then getting it out. See, these little knobs goes in. And then when you get to the middle, you actually push it to the other side. Okay, now that we have this goes to, now we have to take this off. How are we gonna do that? Okay, you have small, small clips here. Okay, you raise them and then you can use something else. Okay, now that you got this out, and then you get the bottom part like this. Okay, I'm gonna do it for all the other clips. All right, now that we removed all the clips, you can move it, but it still doesn't come because there's one clips here under, one clips here. You can just pry it like this, and then from here like that. And look at this. There's one clip, and that's the second one. We can just push it back like this. And now what we have some in here. Okay, so you can start from here or start from the underliner. So I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna start. All right, so we get 10 mil socket and then we start with this one. This one, and then the second one would be this one, and then that's the third one. I'm not sure about this one, but let's come here. Okay, now that we have all these 10 bolts, let's verify to see if we actually have to take that one off. No, we don't need to remove this one. That's not attached, and this is good. Remember here, this one, when you take everything off, this one is there just for skewer, so you have to lift it and get it out. This is not a bolt or anything, it just goes in. All right, now we have to remove these small Torx screws, which you need the T10 Torx bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these. So we have it here and then under it. When I go under, I'll check to see if it's Torx or if something else, I'll let you know. And then here, I don't know if you can see it, but we have this 7 mil bolt. So to open the 7 mil bolt, so you can get this corner out. So basically 7 mil bolt is in here. You just have to pry this a little bit to expose the 7 mil bolt. So I'm gonna extract this and then do for the other side as well. Then we have to remove the bolts underneath. I think they're all 7 as well. All right, so underneath the car here, it's very easy. Let me show you. So you have this small 7 mil. Just take all these. When you do it, then you can remove the bumper. All right, so I removed the 7 mil all over. So now we should be able to pry this. Let me show you. Slowly. Okay, the bottom should be out already. Okay, now that you loosen that part, keep it because it's hanging with these 2 black dots. So let's do it with the other side as well. And then the bottom as well. Okay, now this is good because it's bracket. And then have somebody to help you because you have sensors. You have to keep it on the ear to unplug the sensors. تاني أولى بجري أو بجري هدية دي عزلمك. He's عزلمك. Okay. Get it out and then lift it a little bit. Now this side is good, and then we do it here too. Lift it here. Okay, now it's good. Then slowly. Okay, now came down, and then let me show you inside. So there's 2 wires. You have to get this out. Okay, I gotta turn off the camera because there's 2 wires. I have to squeeze it, and then you have to, go around it. Or actually, you can do something else. Let me show you. And instead of here, you can actually unplug it from the bottom here, like the whole plug. Okay, it's a black one. All right, so let me show you. So basically, you push this tab back, and then you push this, and then get it out. And that's the only thing is hanging on the, we can just put it on the ground. All right, now that we removed the bumper, it's very basic. Where you basically opening the things. One of the screws is under this. So you have to unclip this one, and then, there's one 10 mil here, and then one should be here, but this one is when we put the bumper back, it goes with the bumper, so we already got this one. And then most importantly, the reason we actually removed it, because of this bolt and then the bolt underneath. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, it's right. Let me see. Okay, one is right here. See, this is normally covered with a grill. And then one is right here. Do you see that? So we have 1, 2, 3. This one already removed with a bumper. And then the 4th one is right here. Okay? To remove this, you have to unclip this one and then remove this. Or you can just remove this, just lift this gently and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. All right, I removed all the bolts. So what we do now, we can, see, I opened this one as well. So here, right on the end, there's a small teeth here. Do you see this teeth went in? So you have to push it back. Let me show you how I do that. See, now it's out. Now it's out. Now that it's out, I will just get it out. Okay. Now that's out, let me show you. Again, we have another connector here. Make sure you take this out, this white, push it back, and then push this. So you have to get something to put it underneath. Where's the clip? Yeah, this one or anything. So okay, that's enough. And now you can squeeze it like that. Now that it's done, we can simply get it out and then get the new one and put it in. Well, make sure the new one actually has bulb already inside. If not, you have to, put that. And also you have, a chance to clean this if you want to. Also, before you're installing it, if you bought brand new, see, twist this and then open it. See, this has the bulb because we just added it. We opened this, it doesn't have a bulb. So make sure you check all the places for the bulbs, because even this one, if it doesn't have a bulb, it's easier to change it this. When you put it back, it's almost impossible. Okay, so now that we check the bulb and everything, and you push, put this back and we twist it, now we get the connector again. We put it back here. Make sure you hear the click. Okay, I heard the click. Then push this white tab to lock it in place. And this is good. Where you do, make sure first you unwrap it a little bit, and then this is the first place that goes in. This, should go there. Let me show you how. Okay. Slowly, you have to be very patient and unwrap it if you need to. All right, here, let's look at it. Let's raise it a little bit. Okay. May have to get it out until this is all the way seated. So this has to go to this hole. Sometimes it's not easy, it'll give you some, wiggling, but you have to keep doing it until it sits in place. All right, it's seated. Do you see it's in there? What I did, I pushed it and I raised it a little bit, and then I used something just to push this into the hole, then I pushed it in. So now this holding it in place. And remember, we are not putting this one back because we have to put the bumper and then goes with the bumper. We're only using this one and this one and this one, and we are good. But before we do this, I'm going to turn on the car and I will verify everything works before I fasten any bolt. All right, and that's headlight, okay. And then signal. إشارة لا يخون. No, do the hazard. Flash. Yep, it's all good. Very importantly, after we put all the bolts back, when you come here, it looks like there's no place to put the bolt in. And then when you load it, something is missing here. So make sure from the old light, there's a bracket for bumper and also for this bolt, you take it off. So this is the old one, where you can do here. Do you see? So you push this tab, and then from here you push this tab, and then this goes out, okay? So this tab, like you get a flat hit and then push this tab. All right, see how this went back and then has this, so we can put the screw in here. Now we can put this bolt back because we had to loosen this up. So that means this bolt goes above this bracket as well, making it even tighter. All right, that one is done. This is the second light, so I don't have to take a video of it, but it's just that there's one bolt here underneath. We have to unclip this and then take off this bolt and then remove this bolt and then remove this bolt. When we remove this, you unplug the harness, then you put this on the ground, then remember to remove this. And by removing this, you just push this small tab. This goes back because you have to put this in on the ground. It's easier. When you get the light, this is already in. So we do everything vice versa. Okay, we put the other one. So let's test it. Okay, turn it on. Okay, this is good. Okay, do the signal, hazards. It's good. High beam. Yep, it's all good. All right, we put the bolts back. Remember, this bolt and this bolt, leave it. This is actually go above the bumper. So now, have somebody help you. You each grab side of the bumper, get it back, put the cable back, and then we put it. Okay, you can grab it by here and then the other side as well. We get it slowly. You have to be patient with it. Get it in the middle. Before you do anything, we have to put this back. Remember, you push this back, then you push this white in. And then it's right here. Okay. Okay, I locked it. And now, what we do, you left it. First of all, you put the lock in place. These two parts. Slowly, you put it here, wait, and then align it a little bit. When you align it, you have to push this here, slowly, and then make sure this is in here. 1 second. Okay, slowly. Okay, slowly, it's sitting. So you put this into the bracket, slowly push it. This sits in there, and then the other side as well. This sits in there too. Now when both sides of sitting, see, everything aligns well. With that, push this here a little bit. Get this back, and then push it. Let's see why it's not going. Okay. Push it like this slowly. Okay, now both sides is good. What we're gonna do now, we will start from here. We finish here, then we go to this side, then the other side. Everything that we do now, we do it vice versa. One important note that you see a lot of places, you may get confused which one is the bolt, which one is the clip. So you can temporarily get this back in here. Now we know this is all clip. So means that the holes closer to us, we leave them, but the other one, the holes behind them, see, you leave this, but you do that. You leave this, but you do that. And then the ones that it's clip, it's just a hole, no thread. The one that's for screw, there's thread. Do you see that? It's very obvious. All right, so I put the screws in here. Before I move on, I can bring this back too. I can put this back in here too. Okay, this should go back here. This is here. All right, here. And that should go back here. And then you have to push this down. This is good. And then pushing here too. Okay, now this is good. We just have to put the clips back. So remember, one clip goes here, 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 here. When the clip is good, we will put this back. Let's actually do it, matter of fact, but I may have to change some clips. So we put all the clip back. Now we will put this back into it. So what do? You come in here, see the direction is on the other side. So you kind of putting it on the hook and then coming here, putting it on the hook here, putting it on the hook, same here, okay, same here, and then here as well, same here, and then from here the hook is on the other side, so you have to put it in here. Okay, okay, now this is good, this is good. And that's how it's done. So we are done on the top. Now what we do, we will start from here. We put the Torx screws. Remember, we have 7mm here, goes under the fender line. When we put this, we put the Torx back, and then underneath, we put all the 7mm back. All right, moment of truth. We put the bumper back, and let's close that. All right, looks much better now. Okay, turn it on. It's still on the jack, but we are completely done. I'm gonna get it out of the jack, but let's see if everything works. All right. With that being said, we are done. If this helped you in any way, please go ahead, subscribe to my video. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering your questions. Thank you for watching.